Hi, my name is Ellen Stafford and I am the proud owner of a Bosch GS-50 PowerAnimal vacuum cleaner. Let's have a look inside the box. We open up the box and we find an extendable rod. If you press the button like that, there you go. An impressive hose. A variety of different attachments for various different floor types, upholstery, carpets, curtains, etc. But the one I'm going to use today is this one, which is the PowerAnimal attachment, which is great for picking up hairs, dust, etc. And of course, the vacuum cleaner itself. A lovely bright red vacuum cleaner. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how to put it together. First, get the impressive hose and stick it in like that. It will click into place, just like so. Then, the rod, again, clicks into place. Once it's in place, you'll hear it click, like so. And then the head that I'm going to use, the attachment, again, clicks into place, like so. Now I'm going to plug it in. As you can see, the plug is here. It's on an extendable cord, which basically is run by friction. Also, you can have the vacuum either down like that or upright, like so, and it's on wheels, so easy to wheel round. I'm going to have it down like that because that's just how I prefer it personally. I'm going to plug it in. There we go. Really, really simple to use, this is. Here is the on-off button. Push it in. At the moment you can see it's on the minimum. I can also turn it up, right up to the maximum, like so. Let's take it for a spin on the minimum. And again, on the maximum. Now, this Hoover vacuum is absolutely brilliant at picking up hairs and is actually surprisingly quiet up to other vacuum cleaners that I've used in the past. Like I said, you can adjust it. You can adjust it to your various types. There you go, to make it comfortable and easy on the back. And this glides really easily, there's no work to it at all. Let me turn it off. As an owner of a dog and 2 cats, this is absolutely brilliant. It also has the HEPA filter, which is excellent for people who have allergies. I personally have asthma and it makes a difference. Now, let's have a look at what we've picked up. Here you go, you click this to open, and inside is your cylinder. This vacuum is a bagless vacuum, so all your dust and hair, etc. is contained in there. When you've finished, you just click the red button on the side there to release it, and then you can tip the contents into the bin, like so. So it makes it really, really simple and easy to get rid of it without having to use a bag. There we go, I should put it back in, like so. And there you have it. I personally think this is the best vacuum cleaner I've ever owned, and I would recommend it to my friends, family, especially for people who have animals.